Hi kids, our today's experiment is based on a siphon. Now a siphon is a very simple device which is used to drain a container, meaning to remove any liquid from a container. The setup of a siphon is very simple. As you can see here, we have used two glasses. One glass has colored water so that you can see the process clearly, and the other glass is empty. Both the glasses are connected with a pipe, and right now you can see that there is no water flowing in the pipe. Now what could be the reason? The reason is that there is air inside the pipe, and that air pressure is not letting water flow from the glass placed at a higher level to the glass placed on the tabletop. Now let us see how we can make the water flow from the glass, green glass, to the empty glass. What we'll have to do first is we'll have to remove the air from the pipe for the siphon to start. There are various ways of doing it. One way of doing it is you can use an ink dropper. Right now I don't have an ink dropper, so I'll be using the age-old method. That is, I'll be simply sucking water from the other end of the pipe so that the pipe fills with water, and we will see how water starts flowing. You can see now water is flowing from one glass to another. Now the surprising thing is that the water from the glass which was full is flowing against gravity. Now what could be the reason? If you see the amount of pipe that is visible to you in the glass on the left is less or short than the length of pipe that is visible to you in the glass on the right. This creates an imbalanced force, and both gravity and air pressure are responsible for this. Because of this, water starts flowing from the glass at the top to the glass placed on the tabletop. Now, till when will this process continue? This process continues till the level of water becomes equal in both the glasses. So now you can see that the flow of water has stopped. Where can you see the practical applications of this? A siphon is used in many pumps. If you have ever seen a pump which is used to clean an aquarium or during floods, such pumps are used to remove water from the houses. I hope this was useful to you. I would like your inputs on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. Stay safe, keep learning.